Yes, next topic from the literature book, that is the poem Ice Cream Dream. Ice cream dream. When we hear the name of the ice cream, in our mouth water comes, right? You may be feeling what kind of ice cream it will be, and the same way poet also is choosing the ice cream which kind of want to make or to taste or like. The same way you also like to have the ice cream. Okay, so in this ice cream dream, I will be reading, and each see the now picture of the ice cream. See, now I am going to read the I will have another ice cream, please, flavored with hot garlic cheese with just a dash of chili sauce, all covered with strawberry gloss. All gloss means the shining covering. You have seen the in the cake, the shining covering the over the cake, that is called gloss. I am just kidding. Do you think? I am just kidding means joking. I am just joking. No, that I would dare eat something pink. Oh no, I'll rather stick with vanilla ice and omit the chili and the spice. And the chili and the spicy I like with I'll rather stick with vanilla ice. And which one omit the chili and the spicy. See, she is enjoying with the chili or the ice cream. You see how happy she is. Will you be happy when you see the chili? Yes. And the next part is next. I'll have chocolate corn together with the hot baked corn, with sprinkling of some rich dry fruit, topped with pistachios of high repute. Okay, the high repute and the good quality of the chocolate. And then perhaps an ice cream dream cake, the kind that Mama loves to make. What kind of Mama loves to make? That question will come that time. You have to see. Then with fresh coconut underneath, topped with a lacy lemon wreath. Wreath means the ring type of one in the over the chocolate or over the cake it is decorated, that is called lemon wreath. And the next is, and what about mango stick besides for me to lick, that begins happiness in my heart. She was very happy with that ice cream brought from the stick side lolly cart, dipped in honey laced or with cream. Oh, how I love this ice cream dream. The poet name is Rowan Mandroin. It is difficult to pronounce the name of the poet. Rowan Mandrique. Okay, students, just you have to learn to read the question and the answer. Okay, first you can read the meaning of this. Left side in your book there is given that all word meaning you have to read, and the question answer. The poet is what is that? Poet wishes for some very unusual combination of flavored. Describe what kind of. So in the third line In the first line, flavored with the garlic cheese. Okay, that you have to you have to explain. Flavored with the garlic cheese, and other one is just dash of the chili sauce. And the next question is, what kind of ice cream cake did poet's mother make? What kinds of her mother what kinds of the cake poet's mother make? She likes the chocolate corn together with hot baked corn, or with dry fruit topped with pistachios. And the third one is you have to say the third one is dipped in honey lace or with cream. Next one is B part is C. The B part also you have to play with words. B part you have to read. My eyes hurt with when I read. And there are pronoun who is what, who is that over there. They should study of their exam. Okay, this all you have to here or there. The different sound is same, but you have to make it your own sentence. Sound here and there and there. I, spelling is different, and I. One means I have one pen, and one, they won the cricket match. The same. Wear, I wear, what kind of, or tie, this one. And where means should we meet for dinner, this kind of. Then D exercise you have to make yourself. Okay, in your copy you have to make it D part. And the next, from the workbook, students, from the workbook you have studied already the Lost Pumpkin 1, and the second chapter is Lost Pumpkin 2. From the workbook you have not done, so please that you have to see open your workbook page number 43, the Lost Pumpkin 1 and 2 you have not done from the workbook, so you have to continue. A and B exercise is in your syllabus. This is very important chapter you have to choose. Okay, the first is the grandfather. From this grandfather, the 3 letters word you have to create. From this spelling only, grandfather, from this only 3 letters word you have to make as many as and meaningfully. And the vegetables, and from the vegetables also you have to make here able, gate, set, bat, so many 3 letters word you can make. And the B part you have to tick the correct meaning of these expressions. Okay, B part you must do. Okay, you have to do. And the A and B part from the literature, and D grammar part also you have to see the grammar. Add ly, add this adjective and change them in adverb. So you have to you have to do the exercises. I am not going to give in the video done one, but you must do. Okay, and the chapter number 11, the Lost Pumpkin 2. From there also you have to play with words, that is important. A and B. See here, A part, circle the words that cannot be used with words in capital. Okay, in the left side is given the capital words, and which is it is going, it is matching or not, that from this you see. First one is warm, clothes, welcome, hair. 3 words it is given, the option, then it is not matching. Warm cloth is matching, warm welcome also we can say, but warm hair we are not saying, so it will be hair. So you have to round, circle it, the hair. And the B, strong. Strong is in capital word, animal, and the nose, smell. So it is not matching. Strong animal we cannot say, strong smell we cannot say, so strong nose. It round the circle the nose. The same way other 3 part you have to do it. And the B part, please, last time also I have told very important question. This is match from A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 it is given in serial ways, and the right side is A, B, C, D, E, F it is given. So please don't do like small kids lining. Last time I have cut the marks. So be careful, you have to write it the just next. First you have to write 1, then piece of cake, then which one is matching, the right side you have to write. Don't cross or don't write A or B, just you have to write. A piece of cake means next part is task that is very easy. Okay, and the next one is feeling on top of the world. Feeling on top of the world. The next answer will be feeling every happy. So this kind of line by line you have to write down. You must write this one. And the grammar part, see the D and E. D and E grammar part, that also you have to do. You have to loudly, how loudly you have to choose and write which will be the adverb of these words. And the E, fill in the blanks with when, add or where adverb from the bracket. So you have to select only E part, you have to select which is the correct.